Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can schedule AI generations in Pippit AI. So if you guys start off waiting around for your AI videos or images to finish rendering, here I'm going to show you the ultimate workflow hack scheduling. So whether you're managing a busy content calendar or just want your talking photos ready for you the moment you wake up, the Pippit AI scheduling feature is a game changer. So first, what you need to do to schedule your generation process, you can enter your tags in here. You can upload your image or choose your uh, talking photo settings as usual in this prompt box. So for example, I'm going to just write create a video of a cat, of a flying cat, like this for example, and then you can just find the schedule options in here. You can schedule generation during off-peak hours with viewer credits. So click on this, and Pippit AI will make your video within 24 hours during off-peak hours, and we'll email you once it's ready. So in here you can just choose the number of scheduled videos. I'm going to just go with one, and the daily quota is one. And the credits needed is only 50. Usually it needs 120, but because it's scheduled, so you just need to have a 50 credits in here. So you can just click on confirm like this. Now it will become scheduled, and click on this one to start scheduling your generations. And so that's all from me. If you want to join Pippit, you can click on the links down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.